Hello everyone, we're here at the Days Inn in Carlsbad, New Mexico, and this is going to be a hotel room tour of room 216, a standard room with a king-size bed. So here we are at 216. There's the end of the hallway there. And they have RFID here. And stepping into the room, you can see to the left, we have the climate control, window, heating, and AC unit, and the desk with a chair, and also a mirror, which is kind of interesting. So we have a desk lamp here with two built-in power outlets, and we have the desk with a pull-out drawer. And over here we have the heating AC unit. It's an older unit, it's a Sanyo. As you can see, there's a power outlet there. And then over here is the bed. And you can see we have two nightstands, hotel phone. The nightstands have a drawer in the bottom, which is kind of interesting. And here's the king-size bed. And it has this like little bedspread or whatever. It says Hello Sunshine. So that's kind of interesting. And there's a clock. Power outlets. USB port. So two power outlets there. And then over here we have the wall lights. And I guess they have... oh yeah, they have a reading light attached too. So that's why there are two switches, and there's also another power outlet there. So we have one on either side of the bed, and then we have a Samsung HD TV, and we have a DirecTV HD service as well. You can see there's the channel list. And then we have the microwave here, and some storage drawers here. And then we have a refrigerator on the right. There's no freezer in here, it's just a refrigerator. And then we have a light on the wall over there. And the light on the wall is also controlled by the switch by the door. And then we have a floor lamp, but it's not near any power outlet that can be plugged in. You can see the cord. It's just too short to reach the outlet on the right side of the TV stand. That outlet there on the left side of the TV stand is being used by the television and the refrigerator. So there's a floor lamp there, a door to an adjoining room if you want that option. And then you have a luggage stand. And then there's the other nightstand. Then over here you have a small closet area. Some coat hangers, iron and ironing board. And then over here you have the vanity part of the bathroom. You have a large mirror, and the coffee maker's over here as well. A hairdryer mounted on the wall. Another fluorescent light above the sink area. And this one's like a very low flow sink because it sprays like jets, like you'd find in a public restroom or something. So that's kind of interesting. And then to the left you have the toilet and shower area. Shower tub area. There's the standard toilet. It's a pretty compact room in here. You also have independent light and fan. Kind of noisy. And you can see it's built up there in the heat lamp. Here it is, kind of an older design, as you can see, but standard tub and shower. and it looks like it works okay. So that's the bathroom. So that's going to be pretty much it for this hotel room tour of a standard room with a king-size bed at the Days Inn in Carlsbad, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel videos and technology videos coming to the channel soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.